It is the video which is related with the topic, that is an activity or the experiment from the chapter life process. The experiment is to prepare a temporary mount of a leaf pill to show its stomata. Stomata को देखना है एक dicot leaf के pill के through. The requirements for this activity are the microscope, a mesophytic dicot leaf, glass slide, distilled water, dropper, glycerine, cover slip, and the forceps. These materials are required for such an activity. The theory is that leaf has a small openings either on its upper epidermis or lower epidermis. In some plants, stomata are present on both the surfaces, upper and lower surfaces. So, on the basis of distribution, the stomatal distribution can be of following types: hypostomatous, the leaf in which the stomata are present on lower surface of the leaf; amphistomatous, stomata are present on both the surface of leaf, and in some plants in their leaf, stomata is on upper surface of the leaves. Come on about the method or the procedure. The steps are many. The first step is that we have to take a dicot leaf. Dicot means the plants in which seeds have two equal partitions. Second step is that after taking leaf, we have to tear the leaf from its lower surface so that a thin peel can be obtained. Third step is that mount the leaf peel in water, means placing the leaf in water. What is the mounting process? It is the process of fixing of a material upon the slide. After keeping in water, leaf peel is mounted over glass slide by using glycerine. Glycerine is used to stick the material. Fifth step is that covering the leaf peel with cover slip. And finally, the leaf peel is observed under the microscope. Some of the features are viewed when we observe the leaf peel under the microscope. These observation is that there are small oval or oblong pores are visible in between two kidney-shaped guard cells. These pores are the stomata. Some of the precautions we have to take for the betterment of this activity. These precautions are: the first, we have to select target or the stretched leaf only. Second precaution is that carefully remove the peel from lower epidermis only. And we have to also avoid excessive use of glycerine. And while fixing the material upon the slide, we have to not breathe over the peel. Some of the important points are related with the stomata. In monocot leaves, stomata are dumbbell shaped. In dicot leaves, the shape of stomata are just like the kidney or the bean shaped. Stomata open in light and close in darkness. And some of the functions are in plants which are by the help of stomata. First is the gaseous exchange, second transpiration, and third is when stomata receive the carbon dioxide that help in photosynthesis. These all are about the activity. Stomata can be seen by the leaf peel when it is mounted upon the stage of microscope. Thanks.